Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to 3 secant of t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 9 secant of t square, number 9 and number 9. We can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change by tan t square, and later that we simplify by ds. ds we have 3 secant of t tan t dt. First derivative of secant of t, that is about this one. So I will put this one gone here and here. ds we change by this one. This one we have 9 secant of t square. Number 9, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change by tan t square. The square root of this one, we have 3 tan t. Now we need to simplify it, and we have dt over 3, and we have t over 3 plus c about t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 3, and now we need to change about t equals to our secant of s over 3. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.